Morning class. Children, in the previous class, we have done the poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree. So today we are going to continue with the new chapter from chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Ranji's Wonderful Bat, written by Ruskin Bond. So before we start the chapter, let's know about the writer Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934 at Kasoli. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in the year 2014. The stories of Ruskin Bond never goes out of style. You be of any age group, once you start a Ruskin Bond story, you always feel hooked and amazed by the simplicity of his stories that takes you back to your days of childhood fun. So this story, Ranji's Wonderful Bat, is about the game cricket. Especially children, those who are dedicated with the game during your childhood days, especially for the one who loves cricket too. We should always have a confidence in what we do. So, the story Ranji's Wonderful Bat, written by Ruskin Bond, let's know about the story. Okay, this is a beautiful story. This is a story from Ruskin Bond book. Ranjit's Wonderful Bat and Other Story. Ranjit is an innocent, enthusiastic child who loves to play cricket. His dedications toward the game and dream of proving his worth inspire him to work hard and achieve what he wants. So let's read the story. How's Dad? Shouted the wicket keeper, holding the ball up in his gloves. How's Dad? Echoed the slip fielders. How? Growled the first bowler, glaring at the umpire. Out, said the umpire. And Suraj, the captain of the school team, walked slowly back to the pavilion, which was really a tool set at the end of the field. So this here in this story, at first the wicket keeper was shouting, "How's Dad?" So the wicket keeper was holding the ball in his glove. Then he is shouting, "How's Dad?" And he shouting was echo with the slip fielders. Then the bowler, he growled, "How's Dad?" glaring at the umpire. Then the umpire said, "Out." And Suraj, the captain of the school team, after when the umpire declared that out, he walked slowly back to the pavilion, which was really a tool set at the end of the field. Okay, so the next paragraph, the score stood at 53 for 4 wickets. Another 60 runs had to be made for victory and only one good batsman remained. All the rest were bowlers who could not be expected to make many runs. So this happened in the game of cricket. Yes or no? When we watch the game cricket, IPL and all, what is to happen? We see that the good batsmen, they used to be out in a few runs. Then the one who don't know how to bat nicely, the bowlers used to remain. So we sometime we may be in so much tense that whether our team will win or not. So same thing happened here. So the score is 53 out of 4 wickets. So there will be needed another 60 runs, okay, to make the victory. And no good batsmen remain. All were out. Only the bowlers, they could not be expected to make many runs. It was Ranji's turn to bat. He was the youngest member of the team, only 11, but sturdy and full of pluck. As he walked briskly to the wicket, his unruly black hair was blown about by a cool breeze that came down from the hills. So here, full of pluck means brave and determined. So now the turn was of Ranji, and Ranji was the youngest member of the team, only 11 years old, and he was brave and determined. So he walked briskly to the wicket. His unruly means difficult to manage. His hair was difficult to manage, so his unruly black hair was blown by a cool breeze that came down from the hills. Ranji had a good eye. Had a good eye. That means, please have a look. Had a good eye. Had a good eye and strong wrist, and had made a lots of run in some of the minor matches. So had a good eye, it means that hope and expectation. Okay, so here could spot things easily. So had a good eye, he was strong and wrist, and he had made lots of run in some of the minor means here unimportant. Okay, some of the unimportant matches too. So children, I hope you are clear till here. So we will continue in the next class. Please read the lesson. Thank you.